So in this one, I'm just going to add an image to the scene so we can set it up for a quick animation. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add an image to the scene, and it's this one here. It's just one that was created using the Measure It add-on, and I'm sure everybody has a copy of it. So what I'm going to do is come up here to File, User Preferences, and under the Add-ons tab, I'm going to come down here to Import Images as Planes. It's this one here. Okay, so just put a check mark here. Just allows you to add an image directly into a plane. It's very useful. Save user settings and X that down. So I'm going to press Shift S, and I'm just going to place the cursor at center, and Shift A, and you'll find this add-on under the Mesh menu and Image as Planes. And if I come to my image folder, I have this here, so I'm just going to double click. And what I might do is just bring this back to the beginning. I'm going to press 7 for top view and just zoom out here so I can take a look at this. So what we need to do first is rotate this on the negative X. So RX negative 90. I'm going to press S and just scale it up a bit. I'm going to press Z and just bring up material. Okay, so zoom out slightly and scale it up a little bit more. Maybe something like this. So I might just roll on the animation so I can have a look at the size of our outline. Zoom in here, maybe scale this down a little bit. And I'm going to have to move it now because it's slightly off position than the house. So drag this down. Just going to roll this back here so I can have a look. Okay, so we're getting kind of close. I might just drag this up slightly in the Y. Zoom in. I'm going to scale this up a slight bit more just so I can position it center on the Y-axis first. Drag this over. So that wouldn't be too bad. And that's close enough for this. I'm going to just press and hold the middle mouse button just to come around here. What I do want to do is bring this up now to sit underneath this plan. So I'm going to just roll on the animation so we have a full house here. I'm going to press GZ and just snap it up to the base of that there. Okay, so that's nice and simple. The other thing I might do is press Shift S and cursor to selected. I might just add a larger plane here, and we can just scale this up. Maybe scale it up a little bit more. I can press 1, and I'm just going to drag it down underneath ever so slightly. Okay, but that's the image set up. Okay, and that's going to do it for this one.